This is a Honda EB5000 generator. Auto throttle. So we put that on. It's used by a construction company, so you know they probably hoisted this thing up in the air a few times. Used for job site power. They went out of business, and I bought this at auction. So it's a Honda EB5000. Great little generator. We tested it. All the power seems to work, but I'm going to give you a startup. It's cold, so it might take 2-3 tries, but I haven't had a trouble starting it thus far. Like I said, 2 pulls, and just so you believe me, it's ice cold. Now that it's running, I mean, that's the exhaust. So, yeah. Like I said, runs fine, no issues with it. Just a little dirty, and you know, if you wanted to, you could pull off the cage and straighten the cage out and paint it, but it's not what we do. If you got any questions, let me know. Thanks.